Alright, so the Tollens test is a test for aldehydes, and because it involves preparing the Tollens reagent, I'm going to do the test for aldehyde solids and aldehyde liquids here in the same video. So first of all, we need to prepare the Tollens reagent, and we start by putting 2 milliliters of 5% silver nitrate in each test tube. Next, we add 1 milliliter of 5% sodium hydroxide to each test tube. After that, we'll add enough of the concentrated ammonium hydroxide solution to dissolve that precipitate. You see the black precipitate that formed in each of these. And we need to make sure to have enough mixing to get the precipitate to dissolve. So now we've created the Tollens test reagent. The first 3 test tubes I'll be using for the liquid samples. And I have known positive, unknown, and known negative sample. And so my known positive liquid is benzaldehyde. And the directions say to add 1 drop of the substance you're testing to the test tube. Now we need to mix it and allow it to set. So that's benzaldehyde. This is an aldehyde, so we will expect to see a positive test for benzaldehyde. The liquid that we're testing is unknown F. So I'll put 1 drop of unknown F into the unknown test tube for liquids. And then the known negative for the liquid is 1-butanol. 1-butanol is not an aldehyde, so we expect it to give a negative test. So the first 3 test tubes are the known positive benzaldehyde, the unknown, and the known negative 1-butanol. We'll also test the solids. For a solid sample, we'll add a small amount of piperonal is an aldehyde. So add a small amount of this aldehyde, the known positive, and swirl it. Piperonal is our known positive. Unknown number 7 is our unknown. And 4-methoxyacetophenone is our known negative. And you're already seeing nice mirror for my known positive liquid and my unknown liquid F. See the mirror that forms on the test tube? That's a positive Tollens test. Solid may take longer. This is the known positive solid. I'm going to stir it. See what we see for these, it's actually the silver mirrors forming on the bottom of the test tube, probably because I didn't dissolve the substances in ethanol. Let's give those some more time. So I'll pause the recording and we'll come back and look at those in a few minutes.